Want to become a complete data professional but not sure where to start? Let me show you how you can go from data beginner to all-round expert in just 27 weeks. The Data Professional Bootcamp at Amsterdam Data Academy is actually 2 full bootcamps combined into one powerful program. You enroll once and you get everything you need to master the entire data landscape. Here's how it works. In the first bootcamp, you'll focus on data and analytics. You'll learn to work with Excel at a professional level, build interactive dashboards in Power BI, and turn raw numbers into clear visual stories. This is where you develop the skills to analyze data and communicate insights that actually drive decisions. Then, in the second bootcamp, you'll dive into data science. You'll learn Python programming from the ground up, explore machine learning algorithms, and even get hands-on experience with deep learning. This is where you move from understanding data to building intelligent systems that can predict and automate. But we don't stop there. Throughout the program, you'll also develop essential skills in AI literacy and governance, because knowing how to use these tools responsibly is just as important as knowing how to use them at all. Each bootcamp includes a mentored final assignment where you apply everything you've learned to a real project with personal guidance from experienced professionals. Speaking of guidance, this entire journey is built on blended learning. You'll combine online study with live sessions and one-on-one mentoring, so you're never figuring things out alone. And when you complete the program, you'll earn an official certificate at NLQF Level 6, which is comparable to a bachelor's degree level. That's a credential employers recognize and respect. Whether you're looking to switch careers entirely or you're a professional who wants to add serious data skills to your toolkit, this program gives you the complete foundation in one structured route. Ready to find out if this is the right fit for you? Book a free study advice call at amsterdamdataacademy.com and let's talk about your goals.